uncompressed satellite or UAV file size could be really large. If you wanna upload it to internet or send to someone over internet, it's very difficult because of the large file size. The small area here, let's see the properties of this image. Go to the properties and then information. In the information we can see that the small area covers 1.6 gigabytes. That means if you take little larger area, the size could be more than 100 gigabytes, which is very difficult to handle. If we go down in the compression, you can see that there is no compression. In this video we will see how to compress this file to reduce file size in QGIS. For that, let's right click on the image and then export, click save as. We will save it as GeoTIFF. File name, first we need to write the file name. Let's browse the location and write the file name UAV image compressed. Let's save it and then extent. We will not use any extent. Let's go for the full extent of the image and go down. Under the create option you will see profile. Here we can select no compression, low compression, high compression and JPEG compression. Let's go for high compression, and you can see that the compression format is Deflate, which is lossless compression, so that we will not lose any detail. And that's it. Let's save. Okay, since it will compress the image, it will take some time, so keep patience. If your area is larger, the time will be more. If you choose high compression, it will take longer time. It's done and it says the layer is exported and also added to our project. Let's close this message and turn off the original image. This one is our compressed image. Let's right click and see the properties. If you go to information, you will see the file size is only 553 megabytes and compression is now Deflate. If you want to upload it to internet, now you can save lots of data, and also your upload time, or if you want to send to someone over internet, it will take much shorter time. Thanks for watching.